Okay, so Excalibvr delivered an order. You'll see it. I actually got a worse price than Excalibvr delivered. I'm going to cover this position here at this point right now. Oh, that's not the cover. I'm sorry. I'm going to cover this position. Well, maybe a little too close at this point, but I'm going to at least set a closed position order. Okay, I'm going to at least take my commissions there. Sell short at 849.25. You can see I got in at 848.50, which is a bit worse than what Excalibvr had delivered. So if I get taken out here, I'm actually going to try to get in a little bit higher again. But there we go. What I would like you to take note of, oh man. Okay, I'm actually just going to jump into this and set a pretty close average and hope to pick that up. Actually, I'm going to set my average a bit further away than that, just so that if I do get to average, it'll be much closer to the price that Excalibvr shot the order at. I'm also going to set a closed position order again and hopefully be able to trail that down. But what I'd like to show you is at the time that Excalibvr delivers this order, we have a pretty consistent growth in the TSR, and it goes from 0 to 2 to 12 to 25, and on the next minute to 42. So what you see here is more than 100% growth, more than 100% growth, and then again more than 100% growth. These are all very promising signs for Excalibvr position. So I'm going to cover this position again. And now I'm going to start trailing the market down manually. It's getting very close to the end of the day, so I'm going to be a little bit more conservative than I might have been, but this seems to be working very, very well at the moment. I don't know if it's fortunate or unfortunate if I get taken out here, but either way I will have made a decent amount of profit very, very quickly. Actually, what I'm going to look to do here is average up. Well, no, that wasn't possible. But you see how I was able to make the best of Excalibvr trades using the TSR. At the end of the day, you can see the chart is just screaming downward. At the same token, if I bring you over here, what we were looking at prior to the order was a very solid decreasing in the green moving averages. On the same token, the directional analysis tool had changed from flat to down. The short-term directional analysis tool had filled up, and because of all of that, it seemed like a great trade that we wanted to get in on. I got in on it, I rushed to get in, and it ended up benefiting me anyway. If I had averaged down, it obviously would have been beneficial. And to learn a little bit more, or to get your 2-week trial for 99 cents, visit gatewayqsecurity.com and use promo code YouTube. Hope you learned something, and hope to see you there.